Wow, I haven't talked this morning. So, good morning. It's only been 5 months. It's only been 5 months since I last uploaded. Hi, welcome back. Let's go get some breakfast. So, geez. So I'm at the Starbucks. The line is super long. Like, I mean, I wasn't expecting it to be short. I don't know what I'm saying, but it's really long. And yeah, I'm here to I'm gonna get a caramel frappuccino and probably a coffee cake for some, because I feel like I can't just have a frappuccino for breakfast. Anyways, yeah, let's see. I don't know what else is gonna happen today, but it's been a while. Quarantine, like, I feel like, let's do a little bit of a recap. Like, I left for spring break, never went back. So that was interesting. And then I made like 2 videos in quarantine, and I was just kind of like, I don't know. I was in like a funk, you know what I'm saying? I think everyone was. But anyways, we're back. That's all that matters. Yeah, let's chat after I ordered my food. Okay. Hi, can I get a venti caramel frappuccino?
Venti caramel frappuccino?
Yeah, and then do you guys have any of your coffee cake?
Let me check really quick.
Thank you.
We'll see the window.
Thank you. Yeah.
And in the living room.
Thank you. Oh, thanks. Have a good day. Thanks. Okay, that was probably the nicest person I've ever met. She was so nice. She just said that, she's like, so what are you up to today? And I was like, oh, kind of like nothing. Started talking. He's like, how's your day? She's like, busy. And I was like, I bet. I can't imagine working at Starbucks because I work at like a completely different type of store. And yeah, she was so nice. Okay, I'm gonna start driving now. I'm back at college. Everything's mostly online except for my lab class, which I go in on Thursdays for an hour and 20 minutes. We don't hand any papers in. Everything's like, they try to keep everything online as possible. The class is cut in half, you know, all that jazz. But it just is still, I don't feel like I'm in school. Like, I'll go to work for 8 hours. I'll come back home and I'm like, I'll work out, eat, go to bed. Oh, I'm forgetting something. I need to log in my classes and see what I'm doing. So it's just, it's different. I had a good schedule last year, I feel like. And today I just haven't figured out the groove and everything because none of my classes are on Zoom. I haven't used Zoom once. They're all asynchronous, which means I just log on and do the work, which is good and bad. So that's basically what my life is at right now. Maybe I should do a little room tour. Let's do that. You walk in. Here's this awesome mirror I got from Amazon probably. I'm obsessed with it. I love how big it is. And it's also got this bar in the back, so if you don't want to lean up against the wall and you want it to be like freestanding, you can do that too. And then we come to the left. We have this awesome rack that I got from Amazon as well. Here's like the height difference. And then I got these cute pictures from Etsy. Really cute stuff. Love it. And then we have my bed, same bed as last year. And then I have all these Polaroids from last year and that I've been taking. I even took some like on spring break and everything. I have so many. I probably should count them at some point, or maybe, I don't know. But I just put them all in this corner. I thought it was kind of cute. And then we have my closet area. It's kind of a mess. And I just put some hooks right there. And that's basically it. The camera's rolling. She's back.
I haven't seen you guys in a while.
You didn't even open the garage door.
Well,
We're not taking my car?
no, because my car's blocking it.
I grabbed my keys. I hate how in sync we are getting into the car.
It's disgusting.
We're on our way to get groceries for the first time in
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
I'm actually really surprised we made it that long.
We didn't, I mean, we didn't though. Like I ran out of food and I just started eating out.
Right.
So I didn't make it that long.
I need to deep clean my car. Oh my god. Hey.
Where are you? I'm in A7. Oh, we're close. I'm so stressed.
Okay, now I'm
Oh my god. So it's now later and I haven't done anything but lay in bed. And I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything the rest of the day. So whatever this was, that was the vlog. Yay! Yeah, I'm gonna be back with more videos. I don't know what yet. I have like another idea for a video, but I might just be vlogging. So thanks for watching. See you later.